In this video, we will review Bloom Investing App. The Bloom Investing App is a unique platform designed to introduce teens to the world of investing in a way with both educational and hands-on. Built around the idea of financial literacy should start at an early age. Bloom allows teenagers from ages 13 to 17 to invest into real stocks, ETFs, through a custodial account that is overseen by a parent or guardian. What makes Bloom stand out from other investing apps is its dual focus. Not only does it provide access to the stock market, but it also offers a rich educational experience tailored to young users. The app also includes gamified lessons, quizzes and real-world financial scenarios that teach essential topics such as compound interest, diversification and risk management. As teens complete the lessons, they earn points and badges, which can keep the experience engaging and encourage them to continue learning. Bloom's interface is clean and intuitive, which is important for younger audiences. The app guides users through the basic steps by making it accessible even to those with no prior financial knowledge. From a parent's perspective, Bloom offers a reassurance and level of control and oversight. Parents fund the account, approve trades and receive notifications of activity, and ensure that they remain part of their financial journey. There is also a strong emphasis on safety and compliance, with the account FDIC insured through the banking partner and also regulated under US custodial law. Bloom charges a subscription fee, typically around $4 to $15 per month, depending on your plan, which may feel steep compared to other free or commission-free platforms. However, the educational value can be justified and costs for the family committing to early financial education. One potential drawback of Bloom is it does not support more advanced investing features, such as option trading or crypto, which makes sense for its target demographic, but may limit long-term users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.